Here's a vintage KMC 500 alarm clock. From the looks of it, it looks to be from probably the 1980s. It's your standard alarm clock with a red display. The display is still nice and bright. This clock is up here in Connecticut here, and doesn't really get much use. It's left unplugged most times, and it's really only plugged in when somebody's here. Here's the information on the back here. It says KMC 500 electronic LED alarm clock, 120 volts, 60 hertz, 5 watts, AC use only, and then it shows you how to operate the unit. It's in pretty nice shape. It's got a little missing chrome paint or silver paint at the bottom there, but it's otherwise in seemingly good enough condition. There's a little dot on it for whatever reason. Not much to really say here. And on the bottom there is this sticker. It says 8211. I wonder if that might mean 1982. And there's also a file number if that means anything to anybody. To set it, it's got the fast and slow setting instead of the hour-minute, so this is most likely driven off of the frequency of the AC line, which is why it says AC only. It says 1116 for that. We'll set the alarm for 1117 or so. The button looks like it's not in the greatest shape, so you got to hold it just right to get it to we'll go 1118 and I'll wait for it. Oh, there we go. We'll just put the switch on. There we are. We have our alarm sentinel. Well, that's all you get, folks. Not that loud. Just kind of beeps at you. I'll try the snooze button. Buttons probably need to be cleaned, the switches, but anyway, it's just sort of another one of those weird alarm clocks from the 1980s. This one I think said it was made in Hong Kong. Yeah, down at the bottom there. So just another one of those weird 80s clocks that were made by companies you never heard of. Hey, what do you think you want for dinner tonight? Let's get some KMC!